They're a little bit slow.
Sales are those? Are we sure this is them? Their cannons are way off. Right. The four mastered.
Nice. Where did master hurt? I'm cracking back.
I'm opening backs.
Yep. The spread.
That's wheel. Nice open fronts. Demon give us a soft left. I'm
Yep.
dead. Fuck me. That was backtrack.
Get him.
Unlucky. Unlucky backtrack.
I'm working.
We're fine
Back. I'm wrapping.
Yep. I'm gonna try and get that Mars back down if I can.
Is that go still good?
Yeah, you're gonna have to straighten out soon though.
You have to do it, bro. Buckets are too hectic. Give me a bucket real quick.
Nope.
Give me a bucket.
Right on them.
Bro, just him knocking me off. They just give me a bucket, bucket.
Chill out, I got you.
Yep. I'm dead still.
Do you need me as well?
Yeah, just bucket.
Alright, I'm coming. Throw it left or throw it right.
Alright, get back on cannon.
Yeah, I'm going to cannon.
Yeah, get back on cannon, bro.
Guys, I think you need a bucket.
They just hit knocking me off.
Yeah, these guys are just spamming cannon line right now.
Alright, get back on cannon. First.
Bro, what is up with this cannon? Like, it's getting so... Oh, there's a sloop third partying.
Oh wow.
The father, if we can end this soon.
But it's coming back down again. I need you to fuck them. They just hit knocking me off. Yeah, they just hit knocking me off. I'm deep.
I gave him a mad spread just there.
They stayed bucketed for me. I'm patching white sides right now. Get back on cannon. Nothing off.
Straighten out some riders, maybe it's off left, okay? No, that's fine. I'll go do that with the demon, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Oh, we are fine.
Yeah, give me a bucket. Give me a cozy bucket.
Yep.
So get back to 10. Oh, no. That's the worst timing.
We're in a very, very soft ride.
Yeah, I'm grabbing still.
Yeah, just get more spread on them, honestly.
Turn you right a bit more. I'll get back on 10. Still wrapping. Just take stun,
Good
boys.
one.
Nice.
Opening backs now.
Yeah, just spike.
I can't see that boat. So can you ride us more? So back.
Yeah, I'm deep.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. We're fine. We don't need it. Oh my god, the starter just threw my
Yeah, what the
cannonball
fuck
up.
is that?
What? It loaded the cannonball!
Rep in. Rep in.
What's the strain rise?
Sorry, I thought this fucking up. Rep in still. Yeah, all of them
My
on
cannons
top
are
as well.
just gone. I don't know, I'm not
Okay.
really hitting the double cannoning. I don't know about that rise. Yeah. Oh, I did not mean to snipe. Oh, okay, I found a sweet spot.
Rep in. Rep in. Yeah, I can hear.
They're drifting so far. Eight.
No, that's not miss. I don't know. If we could get a sail up, that'll be fucking dope. Yeah. Yeah, just play water. I'm prepping.
Yeah, I am. They sent one. I have pistol.
You just
I
gotta
don't really
rep.
watch him.
Yeah, I'm just gotta rep all of the holes, bro.
I can't. Yeah.
He's on what?
He's gone. He's on ladder. No, he's going under. He's under. He's on it.
I hit once.
Hit him.
Nice.
Killed. I'm gonna send with him. I'm gonna send with him. Just keep up pressure.
Yeah, go. We drive.
Right, so I think I deck here.
I'm dead.
Oh, what a fucking deck!
Right there, mate.
Oh wait, but you're dead, dude. You couldn't give corpse.
I gave bombs. I said I was dead.
Oh, sorry. Okay, my bad. I didn't hear anything.
I'm coming to the right. No one's coming back. Like, I've
Killed,
got
killed Cyborg.
Yep.
coming back.
Create one.
Yeah, we drive.
I'm just living right now.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm out of food. Where are them crates, bro? Are they in the water? Okay, I need it. I need it. Yeah. You're just very quiet. Alright. They're gonna all be back.
Yeah. There's a break off in the distance and not come in.
Wait, I'll go this time. When you're ready. Alright, climb.
They're repping? Yeah, we're gonna need more.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hit bot, I'm up. I'm dead. Wait, how did he reload that fast? We just need to spread. That's basically it.
Reloading.
Rise, can you just distract them? Like, you reckon?
I am.
Because we might try to get moving, honestly.
Yeah, boss is up. I can rep it right now.
Yeah, alright, I'm coming through door now.
Yeah.
He's egoed me. He's in the water with me.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, just try and live. I'm gonna give them some spread here while Demon does some moving stuff.
He's climbing.
Yeah. We're moving.
He's playing.
We're moving. Can my cannon reload, please? Like, what?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know where my cannons are going, to be honest.
Just look like mine.
Raise that a bit more.
Yeah, a little bit higher. Better.
Saw these at the front repping.
Hey, what the fuck? What the
I think Brick's coming to third party, but we can definitely get this idea right now. We killed that rowboat. No cannon rowboat for them. Alright, we're opening rats now. I'm gonna go.
Yep.
No way, another decky. Oh. They're getting anchor. They skated me, but I was just moving. Good main off. Hit Cyborg, sorry if that's enough in you off. Killed. Oh, sorry, very sorry, very sorry. Jumped in front of that. Oh, I'm off.
Wait on. Hey, hey! Good making.
Who's not joining?
I am.
Wait, so is it them? Oh, they're in Pog of Star.
Where?
Stink.
Fuck. Yeah.
It's them.
I've
Yeah,
had
probably a flag on it.
I've had some shit.
I can't see it.
Oh, I just say that I outrun.
Where? Oh,
I say the tip of the fucking sound. The tip of the code.
where are their cannons going? That's my question.
This is cursed.
Yeah, this is fucked. Can't seem to find the mid ground.
Gotta try to get in a little bit more.
Water? Water? He's on right. Missed.
I hit him?
I'm just gonna catch. You kill him, Rez?
No. He hit me once. Killed him.
Nice, I got anchor.
Nice.
Oh.
Weapon.
Hit back mast. Once.
Kill weapon.
Rise, I'm hitting. No longer hitting. I don't know where it went.
Are you turning up?
I'm telling you a little bit more. Left of me.
Nice, sweet.
I'm still
We got
dead.
front with cannons, I think. I
Still
think I
dead.
just saw front go down. Yep, we're fine.
Where'd you at?
I can't.
I've had some
Yeah,
shit.
their back mast is gonna go down soon. I think it might. No, is it down? It's not.
Something by one.
Yep.
My entire game's just bugging right now.
Drop front. Oh wait, no money. I thought they'd ring Mars. Oh, they did ring Mars. No, they dropped Mars. Okay. You software.
I can't see too well.
Weapon.
Let's check. I might have got back there. I don't know why they're full sailing. Okay, I think that was back. Yeah, that was back.
Weapon still.
Trying to get that front.
I hit front with a cannon.
You got a bad weapon Mars coming.
I hit front with a cannon again, I think. Titan if you can. Guys, I don't know if that block was good. Yeah, we need a big Titan.
Yeah, but
I'm raising front a little just to help you
yeah,
out with
but
that Titan.
raise up front completely. I can use that. Back's
Okay.
fully back.
Yep.
Yeah, we're chilling.
This one.
They get close to the
I'm hitting.
I'm soft.
They are resetting. They are resetting. Are they softened? Definitely softened. Okay, we're nosing, we're nosing.
Oh shit.
I'm trying to calm the demon. This is
I can't hear ya.
Right, I have you at I have you at 200 and you're still quiet.
Yeah,
by the way.
he's fucking 200 and still quiet. I'm right then.
That's front,
Okay.
that's mastered.
Look. How about yeah, and softening. They tripled it. Weapon.
One of bombing us. Demon, get up, demon, get
Yeah,
up.
yeah, I'm coming up. I'm repping, wheel right now.
That's
With the thing.
the higher wave.
Driving. Repping. Yeah, I'm getting the bots first. Give me a bucket, boss. Okay.
It's not backdropping, it's just always sure you gotta catch it. Yeah.
Give me a bucket. Boss. Give me 3 buckets to go up. Fuck off, they keep knocking me off. Stay bucket in. Bucket in, come on. I'm gonna go for the bucket. Yeah, it's over. I'm repping. Alright, they just hit bucket. Oh, fuck. Bucket. Bucket.
I've got you, dude. I hear you, bro. Chilling, dude.
You hear me?
I can hear you,
I'm rapping still.
Oh, dude.
Don't die. Whatever you do, do not die.
I'm really trying.
Weapon right side.
No double kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we need to get more spread.
Give me
Or
a
they're not
bucket.
catching up on reps. Just let Mars go down, just let it.
Oh, fuck off. I just punch that fucking out. Go up. Get up.
Yeah, I'm trying. I've been spreading. It's just very difficult. If we can get a ball.
Hold
deep right now. I'm deep. Give me a bucket. Give me 2 buckets and go. Yeah, go up. Give me a bucket. Now go up. Good. Backslash. Good. We only got 1 more hole and that's it, we dry. Let's just hit them. Nah, not yet.
Oh my god, my game's just dying.
So, Ashley, go play water. Yeah, go play water. Because we only got like no holes anymore. Play water. Coming up there, bro.
Yep. Do you want to try and open back? So, Raz, can you try and give me comms on where my cannons are going? Okay.
Made it once.
Lucky.
I have no angle right now, it looks like. Oh, they have a little bit of
I have slight angle.
Let's have a nothing at it. Oh no, I think I just helped them.
Yeah, I think you did.
Yeah, it was. Actually, I don't think it's my idea. If I can completely fucking turn them around.
That'll also blunder bomb them away though, so be careful.
Yeah. Okay,
That's the soft left.
yep. Yeah, I fucked up with that one.
It's fine. It's still hurting bad.
On that. Oh.
Play water.
Not at the moment.
just give it a second.
Bucket. for me?
No rise, no rise, no rise.
Bucket for me was? It's just I want to fucking catch up on you. I'm big. Ooh! Let's go one board. Fucking Jesus. Yeah, play water again. Yeah, we got
What's the
two.
buff, David?
Yeah, give me a minute, hold up. Better get that.
Actually, make that left harder.
Okay. Tell me when.
Stop now. No, no, no. You're gonna have to give us the stuff right there. I did not know.
Do that. That'll work? Oh no.
What? Yep, it's perfect, perfect.
I'm still working.
Yep.
Oh, we try.
Nice. You want me to send?
Yeah, if you want to, or we can try to get a mask up real quick. I can get a mask up real quick. Oh, never mind. No, stay. Yeah, we both can on them right now. Yeah. A bag one? Go.
Nice.
Go. Yeah, go. Yep. Yep.
That heat again?
Nice. I'm going to.
Fucking see
I'm
the
going.
demon.
I'm going. Yeah.
Can we drive?
Yeah, we dropped. We played the drop.
Oh, they're out of angles.
You're killing me, Rise. Unless I was snap. Did you throw that blunderbomb or was that them, Rise?
No.
I'm in. Well, I'm at the ship.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm up.
It was them. He's watching me.
Okay, because
Oh,
I was
wait.
gonna say Rise fucking killed me.
Coming up.
Or someone killed me of them.
I got knocked off. I got knocked off. Got knocked off.
They sink, yeah.
GG, GG, GG.
Hey,
We did have a hole.
what? Oh, really?
We
Where?
had a front hole.
Oh, fuck, that's what I patched it.